Hey, my name is Ryan Cain. I work in the EBME department in Gwynedd Hospital. EBME is electro-biomedical engineering, and what we do is we look after the medical devices in the hospital and the community hospital around the local area. We look at stuff from blood pressure monitors to thermometers, anaesthetic machines and ventilators. And I'm pleased to announce that I've been chosen as the Apprentice of the Year in Engineering. The main reason I went for an apprenticeship rather than any other route was I wanted to learn day in, day out on a job. Therefore, I'm given the experience, I get to develop my skills in work day in, day out. As well as that, I get to get paid as I learn. I chose an apprenticeship in engineering as I've always had an interest in engineering since I've been young. My father was an engineer in the aeronautical industry, so I think that's where my first interest started. And as well as that, I did engineering in college, and from that I gained experience in engineering, and I knew that'd be the path for me. What I enjoy most about the apprenticeship is the fact that I get to learn day in, day out something new. I also get taught by the other engineers in the department what they've learnt over the years, so their experience is passed on to me, and I very much enjoy that. In the future, so I would like to develop further in the hospital, in the EBME department, so after the apprenticeship I'll work my way up as far as I possibly can, so learning day in, day out and move forward in the industry.